Are you ready to make your home the coziest, most festive spot on the block this holiday season? Let's talk about Christmas window decorations that bring the magic of the season right to your doorstep. From traditional styles to the latest trends, we're covering everything you need to create show-stopping window displays that capture the holiday spirit. Let's dive in and make your windows a beacon of holiday cheer. What are some classic Christmas window decoration ideas that never go out of style? Classic Christmas window decor adds a nostalgic, timeless feel that warms the heart. Here are some traditional ideas to make your windows glow with holiday spirit. 1. Twinkling lights and candles. Start with warm, white fairy lights around the window frame to give a gentle, cozy glow. For a more traditional look, add electric candles on the windowsill. This creates a welcoming look reminiscent of classic Christmas decor. 2. Evergreen wreaths with red bows. Hang a beautiful, fragrant evergreen wreath in the center of each window. Tie a large red bow at the top or bottom for that traditional holiday touch. 3. Festive window clings and frosting. Add classic Christmas window clings with snowflakes, stars, or even vintage Santa motifs. Use a frosting spray or white window marker to draw snowy edges for a cozy, wintry feel. Love these timeless ideas? Hit the like button and share your favorite classic Christmas decoration style. What are some trending Christmas window decoration ideas for 2023? Trends are a great way to keep your holiday decor fresh and fun. Here's what's popular for Christmas window decor this year. 1. LED curtain lights. One of the biggest trends is LED curtain lights, which cover the entire window in a cascade of tiny lights. These create a stunning effect, especially when viewed from outside. 2. Color-changing lights. RGB color-changing lights allow you to shift from traditional warm whites to festive colors like red and green, or even cool blues. This trend is great for those who like a modern, playful look. 3. Boho Christmas elements. Add a bit of boho flair with macrame ornaments, dried orange slices, and pampas grass wreaths. This trend combines a warm, natural look with festive cheer. Enjoying these trendy tips? For more ideas like this, check out similar videos in the description. How can I create a modern and chic look for my Christmas windows? For a fresh, updated take on holiday decor, modern Christmas window decorations use sleek designs and neutral tones. Here's how to keep things contemporary yet festive. 1. Minimalistic ornaments. Instead of going overboard, hang a few large, elegant ornaments in metallic colors like silver, gold, or matte white. Attach them with fishing lines so they appear to be floating in the window for a clean, sophisticated look. 2. Monochrome garlands. Instead of traditional green garlands, opt for a monochrome garland, like all white or silver, with subtle lights woven through it. This keeps things minimal and chic while still adding that festive glow. 3. Geometric or abstract shapes. Use window decals or hang ornaments in geometric shapes. Choose colors like silver, rose gold, or matte black for a stylish, edgy look. Is modern your style? Comment below and let us know how you'd style a chic Christmas window. What are some eco-friendly Christmas window decoration ideas? For those who want a greener Christmas, eco-friendly decorations can bring festive cheer while reducing waste. Here are some sustainable options for window decor. 1. Use natural greenery. Decorate your windows with fresh pine branches, eucalyptus, or holly sprigs. These can be composted after the season, and they add a lovely natural scent to your space. 2. Recycled paper snowflakes and stars. Make snowflakes and stars using recycled paper or old newspaper. Hang them from strings in front of the window or stick them directly onto the glass for a winter wonderland effect. 3. Upcycle old jars as candle holders. Fill old jars with salt to mimic snow and add tea lights. Line them up on the windowsill to create a warm, glowing effect that's also sustainable. Love sustainable decor? Check the description for more eco-friendly holiday decorating ideas. What are some kid-friendly Christmas window decorations that are fun to create? Get the kids involved with these simple, fun, and festive window decorations that the whole family can enjoy. 1. DIY snowman with cotton balls and paper. Have the kids help make a snowman on the window using cotton balls for the body and black construction paper for eyes, buttons, and a hat. It's easy, fun, and gives a cute holiday touch. 2. Painted windows with washable paint. Let kids use washable window paint to create their own Christmas scenes, snowflakes, candy canes, or Santa's sleigh. Just make sure to use washable paint so it's easy to clean up later. 3. Window clings and stickers. Pick up some reusable Christmas window clings that kids can move around and arrange however they like. Snowflakes, gingerbread men, and presents are perfect themes. Making memories with the family? Add this video to your playlist for more holiday fun ideas. How can I make my Christmas windows look magical at night? Nothing says holiday magic like beautifully lit windows that glow in the evening. Here are some ideas to make your windows look enchanting when night falls. 1. Layered lighting effects. Use a mix of lights. Start with fairy lights around the window, then add battery-operated candles or LED lights on the windowsill for depth. Layered lights create a soft, magical glow that draws attention to your windows. 2. Hanging star lanterns. Hang star-shaped paper lanterns or LED stars at different heights in the window. These stars create a celestial, whimsical look and cast soft light around the room and onto the street. Window silhouette scenes. Create a winter wonderland silhouette by cutting out scenes of trees, reindeer, or a snowy village on black paper. Place LED lights behind the silhouette for a glowing effect that turns your window into a magical holiday scene. Inspired to light up your windows? Subscribe for more holiday decor tips and tricks. How can I create a cozy and rustic window display for Christmas? If you're a fan of the farmhouse or rustic look, these ideas will bring warmth and charm to your holiday windows. 1. Burlap garlands and pine cones. Create a garland out of burlap and pine cones for a rustic feel. String this across the window, or place it along the windowsill with small LED lights for added warmth. 2. Mason jar candle holders. Place mason jars with candles or fairy lights on the windowsill. Add a sprig of pine and tie a burlap ribbon around each jar for a cozy, homemade look. 3. Rustic wooden signs. Hang a wooden sign with a festive phrase like Merry Christmas or Joy in the window. Use reclaimed wood or distressed paint for that authentic, rustic vibe. If you love this cozy style, see the products mentioned in the video in the description below. Conclusion. We've covered everything from classic to trending ideas, modern styles, and even eco-friendly choices. Which window decorating style are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to follow along for more Christmas decorating ideas.